Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by activating yeast in warm milk so it's alive and predictable. This gives lift. Combine flour, sugar, salt, and a single egg, then knead briefly until a cohesive dough forms. Don't overwork it or gluten will tighten. Once done, shape dough into a disc and chill. Meanwhile, form your butter block by flattening cold butter into a neat square. The temperature must be cool but pliable so it laminates clean layers rather than leaking during rolling. You now laminate. Enclose the chilled butter inside the dough and roll gently to a rectangle to create layers. This is why the block must be firm. Perform 3 single turns, folding into thirds, and chill between each turn so butter stays separate. That creates flaky strata. After the last rest, roll to thickness, cut strips, add a teaspoon of filling in the center, and roll into tight logs. Make sure edges are sealed so filling doesn't escape while proofing and baking. You'll proof the shaped rolls at a warm spot until they roughly double. This develops air pockets and prevents dense texture. Once proofed, brush with egg wash for shine and bake at 190 degrees until deep golden and flaky. Internal steam finishes layers. After cooling slightly, glaze or dust as desired. If butter leaks or rolls collapse, the butter was too soft or dough too warm. Chill both, reduce oven temp slightly, and make shallower cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.